everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James, and today I want to do a big thank you to all of you out there in the audience of YouTube land. And yeah, if you haven't noticed, I've hit 1,500 subscribers. So, as always, I can never think of what to say, which is the reason why I skipped, well, one of the reasons why I skipped the 1,400 thing. But yeah, I can never think of what else to say. Even though I've got a script up on my computer screen behind me, it's just to give me just some guidelines of what to say, and I'm making it up as I go along. But, but yes, as always, I want to say a big thank you to all of you out there for supporting me and watching my channel. Even if you don't subscribe, still big thank you for watching. And as always, I hope you enjoy what I do. But as always, I want to do a big thank you to all of you. So as always, I'll be doing my giveaway. And as I said earlier, I didn't really know what to do for the 1,400 milestone, which is why I kind of skipped it. And now I want to just concentrate on the bigger milestones of in 500s, because first of all, it gives me something to well, work up to, and also gives me time to work out what I'm doing. But well, there's going to be less giveaways because I'm not doing them every 100 now, just every 500. So this will be one at 1,500 as we are now. Next one will be 2,000 and 2,500. But don't think that it's less giveaways, just think of it as bigger giveaways, because I do have a good prize for everyone this time, and also the runner-up prizes of the usual Metcalfe kits. But the big prize for this time is this, the EFE Rail J94 locomotive. And I have got it out of the box just so I can show you. Unfortunately, the camera isn't quite focused at the moment, so it's not going to be all that good. That's a lovely little engine, and I'm very happy with it. However, the review isn't going to be out for a little while. So I'll pop that down there. I do need to get my own one. I want to get in LMR blue. So, yes, that's something which I do want. But the runner-up prizes are the usual Metcalfe kits. So if you want a free Metcalfe kit, hope that you're going to be a runner-up. I've got 4 this time for the runner giveaway, and that's the fire station, which has just come out recently. The municipal building, which hasn't come out yet. Gardener's cottage, which still hasn't come out yet. And the last one is the town end cottage, which also hasn't come out yet, but I remember. Anyway, but yes, the giveaway will start basically now, so put your name down below in the comments, and do point out you want to be part of the giveaway, because make it quite obvious, because I'm not the brightest of basically make it obvious for me. Please make it obvious for me. But yeah, if you want to join the giveaway, start date is at basically when this video comes out. The end date is the Saturday, the 16th of December. And the prize draw will be the following Friday, which is the 22nd. However, due to post is always a bit iffy around Christmas period, I'll try and get this to you as quickly as I can. So whoever wins whatever, do expect some delays because it is the Christmas period. So yeah, but I will get it to get the prizes to you when I can. Anyway, so that's the giveaway news and prizes and the announcement for that. The next thing is, in the following year, I do want to a slight thing, because I do know some people like the longer videos, but some people don't like them. But I'll be changing the Digital Foundry series yet again, because well, first of all, I want to make more stuff. So there's a slight channel news, but yes, I want to make more stuff. And I've got plans to basically make a new model each week or something like that. Maybe a break around my birthday, something like just so I can have a small break. But since I want to make more models, I can't really do all them videos all the time. So I'm changing the Digital Foundry series into more of a product showcase. And I will go into a little bit of how to fit the model, the chassis and the bodies together, but it won't be quite as much as the previous build videos. So yes, the build videos will be changing to more of a product showcase, but there'll be more things on offer. So yes. yeah, I've been somewhat debating on doing that, but yeah, it's basically I want to make more stuff so people can have more stuff available, because I want to start making multiple units, which do take an awful long time to do, and unfortunately, I don't have all the time in the world. I also have my day job, and then I come home and then I start working on this while also watching stuff on YouTube. So yeah, but it's basically I just want to make more stuff for everybody, and yeah, that's really it. I just don't have time. So uh, I said it is for Fantasy series would just be a bit more condensed now. So it'd be monthly showcase videos. So expect 4 things each time. But yeah, don't, it's something. I'm still trying to do all I can, but yeah, I just don't have time anymore. But that's pretty much it, really. But anything else? Let me have a quick look. That's all the stuff that I got on my notes, because I'm silly and didn't write anything else down. Let me have a quick look. Ooh. Let's see. Gosport is still going on its way. That's going along nicely. I still need to do more on the folding layout, which is down there. Minstow Road, I've finally sorted most of that out pretty much. So that's got its running video soon. And yeah, so I have to start prepping my next layout or layouts. Because I do plan to have some more for next year. But that's pretty much it, really. So as always, I want to say a big thank you to all of you out there, and yeah, do put your names down if you want to win J94. I'll pop you there. The review will be out at some point, and at some point I'll buy my own one and be happy about that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, really. And as always, thank you for watching me. Thank you for subscribing to me, and thank you for anybody who enjoys my content. So that's going to be it for me. And yeah, take care now. And I hope you have considering it's December, I hope you have a lovely Christmas, a happy New Year, and yeah, that's pretty much it, really. I'll still be doing the videos, so yeah. Oh well. Anyway, take care now. Bye bye.